So here's the new 96 boards. So hello, so who are you?
Hello everyone, my name is Tony. I'm from LeMaker, and our LeMaker is a community focused on the open source hardware and open source single board computers. Firstly, we introduced Banana Pi and Banana Pro last year, and now this year we have cooperated with Linaro, and we became the member of Linaro LCG group, and so
this is what you're bringing here to the conference. Can we open this? So all the goodies, and you have the new board right here. Can you pick it up? Yeah. Right there. So this is HiSilicon. What's the
HiSilicon H620 SoC, and it's a HiKey LeMaker version board.
So this is Octa-core.
Yes, this one is the Octa-core, and with 1 gigabit RAM, DDR RAM. Also, we have add another 2 gigabyte RAM for the HiKey.
So you have 2 gigabyte version and 1 gigabyte version.
Yes.
And $75 only, right? This is really affordable. It's connected right here.
Yes.
So what are you running right now? What is this?
This is a database system running on the HiKey, and we can see that this is a terminal, and also there is some softwares we can do, internet, sounds.
This is great. So it's running right here, yes, and it's coming very soon. So this is a big deal, right, for Linaro?
Yes, it is. And one of the nice things about it was that this board actually came out before, but it was much more expensive. It was about $120 US. And what LeMaker did was cost reduce it, and at the same time add more memory, so you could have a 1 gigabyte and a 2 gigabyte model. One thing that hasn't been mentioned is that this is a 64-bit ARM chip. So if you're having 8 cores with 64 bits, you naturally want to have a little bit more memory to it. And the 2 gigabyte model would be selling for around $99, with the 1 gigabyte selling for $75.
So this is a big deal for the developer community, the ARM 64-bit. People are waiting for this, and this is a big deal for Linaro.
Absolutely. And in the future, we're going to have motherboards to sit on top of this and give you things like Arduino connectivity and things like that. So this would make a very nice board for doing data analysis of data which is gathered by the Arduino, okay? And the Arduino would just plug onto the top of this, have the same size board.
Under, right here. So how soon are you ready to ship? When can people buy this?
Yes, currently we have the initial projections about 17 pieces for developers, and the mass projections will be available at early November. And at that time, we will ship the users 1 gigabyte HiKey and 2 gigabyte HiKey.
Nice. So this is cool. So can you introduce a little bit about your company? What kind of other things have you been doing before? How old is your company?
Okay. Our LeMaker is about LeMaker is established last year. We are a very young company. We firstly developed the Banana Pi board, and this is a Banana. This is a Banana Pi Banana Pro board.
Yeah.
I cannot take it.
Yeah. So there, how many people buy Banana?
And currently, this has sold for 150,000 Banana Pi.
Really? So very big deal already. You're a big startup.
Yes.
150,000 people are developing. This is Allwinner?
Yes. This is Allwinner A20.
A20 development board. What are people doing with this?
Many people have used this to as a home server, or use it to do a private cloud, and also use it to control the robotics, or to do the education such as Scratch, or such as use it to run their game emulations.
Nice. So now you're ready with you're gonna make maybe the most popular 96 boards. It's gonna be super popular, very affordable, released all over the world.
I think the 96 board will be more popular than the old one because this is more powerful and has the good technical support from Linaro and from other communities.
So, and who are you? What's your name?
Okay. Hi, I'm Leo, and we are both the co-founders of the LeMaker, and we come here to introduce all the geeks and the users our new board, the 96 boards.
So what do you think about Linaro and Linaro Connect? What do you think about these geeks around here?
Okay, and I think the Linaro Connect is cool. We meet a lot of people, a lot of developers around the world, and we just talk with the guys from the Linux distribution community and from the BSD community. We think that's cool.
Cool. And this is your this is your secret hand luggage in the airport. What do they say when you come here?
They say, wow, it's really cool, but do you want to hear for hack something?
Yeah. Did they ask you if it was a clock?
Yeah.
No? No? Okay, this is pretty cool. So what are you showing here? What is this?
And this one is our new project. It's also a single board computer. It's called LeMaker HiKey.
The Maker what?
Guitar.
Guitar.
Yes,
Yeah.
the music instrument.
And what are you running on it?
And now this is a Ubuntu mat running on the LeMaker HiKey. And also we can use it to play the game or do the scratch and play the videos. I can show you something. And wait a moment. And this is a keyboard, such as we do the QD.
Nice. Are you battery powered? No, you're running from the power here.
Or here.
Yeah.
There's a QD. And
So you have full multimedia playback on this.
yes.
And what is the CPU here?
This is CPU.
On the guitar.
Yes.
Which one?
This is Action Semi S500.
S500. Is that the new one?
Yes, it's a new one.
64-bit?
No, 32 bits.
32-bit.
Yeah. All right. So this is there. And so you were based in Shenzhen, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what did you do before?
And we first,
We-
we two guys are just graduated from the universities, and we also majored in the automation, such as robotic and such as control science. So after we graduated, and we come here to build a single board computers and dedicate ourselves into the open source hardware and open source.
Which university? Where were you?
We are in the HIT University, the Harbin Institute of Technology,
And
and,
then-
we are both the graduate students from the.
And then you moved to Shenzhen?
No. We have a division in Shenzhen, the HIT Shenzhen Graduate School.
But you're not based in Shenzhen?
We are based in
We're
Shenzhen.
based in
based in
Shenzhen.
Shenzhen.
Yeah, we're based in
So
Shenzhen.
all is what you need to do PCB design and SMT, everything is working great.
Yes,
Yeah.
we can do many fast in the PCB and the SMT line, and all things we need we can buy in Shenzhen.
Nice. And you have how many people in the company?
Currently, we have more than 16 people.
16.
16.
60.
60.
60 people.
Yeah.
So engineer?
Half of them are engineers and half of them are marketing, sales, and executors.
Community manager and stuff like that.
Yes.
For
Yeah.
online BBS with the chatting on the internet about software.
We have also chat with some other YouTubers or other the videos when the Banana Pro come out last year.
Nice. Design, you're able to pull this out.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
we
so
can just pull it out.
in the future you can update it.
Yeah, and for currently it's about the 32-bit, but in next year we will update it to the 64-bit.
64-bit, you can just update the board right there.
Yeah.
And what is this one?
And this is Freescale add-on Max 6 board, and it's named LeMaker Piano.
All right, the piano is coming out too.
Yeah.
How soon?
Maybe at the late of this year.